Everyone is talking about just one number 1800. Social media says your Provident Fund contribution has been reduced. Some people are talking about celebrating. Others are planning to stop their PF and move something into mutual funds. But what if I told you this is only half the story and making wrong decisions today could cost you lakhs or even crores in retirement? Stay with me till the end because this decision could affect your financial future. Hello, I'm CFP Taresh Bhatia, certified financial planner, author of the Amazon bestseller book The Richness Principles, founder of The Richness Academy. For more than 38 years, I have been helping individuals and families build long-term financial security. Today, let's decode the new EPF scheme 2026 in the simplest way possible. India now has a new Employees Provident Fund Scheme 2026 under the Code of Social Security 2020. This replaces the old EPF scheme of 1952. But don't misunderstand this. This is primarily a legal and administrative modernization. It's about modernizing India's social security framework. The new scheme is not about reducing retirement benefits. What actually changed? Government has not reduced the EPF contribution. The contribution rate remains the same. Employee 12%, employer 12%. The clarification is that mandatory contribution now applies only to the statutory wage ceiling of 15,000 per month. Many employees already contribute on their actual basic salary per month. If your employer continues that policy, nothing changes. What has changed? Your UIN continues, VPF continues, EPF interest mechanism continues, the pension scheme continues, the EDLI insurance benefit continues. Even the 2.5 lakh annual tax-free interest remains unchanged. Has the tax rules changed? No. The biggest retirement mistake, wondering, should I reduce my PF and invest in mutual funds? My answer is you're asking the wrong question. The real question is, will you actually invest that extra money every single month? If you spend it, your retirement suffers. EPF is not just an investment. 4 benefits: employer contribution, compounding, tax efficiency, disciplined retirement saving. Therefore, the EPF scheme 2026 is not reducing retirement savings, but reducing planning of your retirement is not to be planned like this. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build a structured financial plan instead of random decisions, start with structured financial planning orientation at tareshbhatia.com. Read more in my LinkedIn newsletter, link given below. Thank you very much for watching.